Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to chat log individually in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp and go to your chat list and open your chat. If you want to lock your chat, you just have to go to the profile. You'll find here chat lock. You just have to turn off the button. Press and continue. Use your pattern. Press and OK. That's it. So this is how to chat log individually in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.